Thailand Coffee Fest 2025. This is the 10th year that this festival has been operating in Bangkok. So there's a lot of coffee machines, coffee grinders, coffee roasters, and of course coffee beans and also tea. So I have been coming here every year, and I think that this Thailand Coffee Fest has got a new face. The star of the show is no longer the coffee machines and coffee beans. I would say people queue up early so they can get in at the time of opening, which is at 10 a.m. And you would see them queuing up, lining up in front of the halls. And when the doors open to the public, they run. And where do you think they're running to? They are running to the new star of the show of Thailand Coffee Fest in its 10th year of operation, Matcha. There's a limit in the matcha that they can purchase, so people are queuing up so that they get one a piece because they can only buy one. Not only for matcha powder, it's also for matcha drinks as well as those exquisite handmade matcha bowls that you can only find in Thailand. So there you go, Thailand Coffee Fest in its 10th year of operation, and the star of the show has now changed into matcha.